In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time in Google Sheets using the time function. This is a really handy method if you need to incorporate time calculations into your spreadsheets without getting tangled up in complex formulas. The time function in Google Sheets allows you to break down time into three key components: hours, minutes, and seconds. With this functionality, we can easily add to any of these parameters individually, and I'll show you how. I've prepared a simple table to walk you through this process. To get started, we're going to focus on creating a formula in the end time column. Begin by typing an equal sign to signify you're starting a formula. Then type in time and open a parenthesis. This is the neat part of the formula where it begins to take shape. First up, we tackle the hour parameter. We need to pull the hour value from our start time, so here we'll use the hour function. Inside the parentheses of the hour function, you'll need to refer to the cell containing your start time. For instance, my start time is located in cell C3, so I'll input C3. Make sure to close the parenthesis after specifying the cell reference. After we've isolated the hour, you'll want to add the number of hours you'd like to include. Type a plus sign right after the hour function. Then select the cell where you'll input the number of additional hours you wish to add. In my table, this is cell D3. This setup makes it incredibly easy to update the hours you're adding, since all you need to do is change the value in D3. Now, we apply this same logic to the minutes and seconds parameters. To extract the minutes, replace the hour function with the minute function. Select your start time cell again, and don't forget to close the parentheses. Just as we did with the hours, add the cell reference where you'll input extra minutes. The second parameter follows suit. Simply use the second function to pinpoint the starting seconds and add them as needed. Once you've constructed this formula for each of the time components, go ahead and finalize it by closing off any remaining parentheses and press Enter. Voila! Your enhanced time calculation should now display beautifully in the end time cell. The beauty of this approach is its dynamic nature. Every time you change the values in your reference cells, the end time updates automatically, allowing for seamless, real-time calculations. Play around with different inputs, and you'll see just how flexible and powerful the time function is for managing and calculating time-related data in Google Sheets. Happy spreadsheeting, everyone!